Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with our monthly reading of April. Okay. So before I start, we can start by subscribing to my channel, pressing the bell icon, and sharing my video with your family and friends. Please start the sharing. Okay. This reading I'm starting for Gemini. Okay. Gemini, what it is in the month of April when there is a conjunction, big conjunction happening of Rahu and Shani, right? So Rahu and Shani are at play, and let's see what and how things are manifesting for you in the month of April. Gemini, chaliye dekhte hain. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Sharing is very important of a video. I feel that Gemini is all working very hard to make their abundance here. They are literally at it. They want to just create a big abundance, big money in their life, and that is all there in his mind. But right now, not communicating much with people, trying to think, stop, like how we start walking and we stop at a point and we think, now next what should be my step. So this right now you are at that point in your work. Okay, so let's see, first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. First week, I feel either few of you are going to do some travel. This traveling is going to be a spiritual one. Okay, probably you will travel spirituality. You'll go to visit some temple or something, some shrine, or you're going to um, travel for work. Okay, here I see a lot of meditation energy, lot of action being taken on your own self. You're also guiding other people, so probably you're going to do a workshop, something, whatever your profession is, you're also going to be teaching people. Okay, I see a lot of online teaching. There's a lot of teaching, there's a lot of learning, there's a lot of going to the um, Tirath Sthan, to holy places. Also your money is growing here at the same time, right? Now the second week is coming with, I feel that you're hell bent. I am going to get it done. Like, you are healing from the past first. If you've had a health issue in the past, you are recovering from that. You are um, leaving spaces where I feel you were never happy. You are taking all that you have or you created, and you're taking all that and you're leaving. That is what I see in the second week. You are also, there will be a sudden change in the second week in your life. Sudden change of probably your workspace. You felt that you were not paid well, or the efforts that you have put, people were just using your efforts and leaving. They were not actually giving you the appreciation, or probably they knew that you were good in work, but at the same time they were very toxic kind of people who love taking everything you gave and ran away. Okay, so here you are leaving that space. Probably there will be a sudden change in your workspace. Probably you leave a job and take a new one, and it's going to be like in 24 hours. It was going to be very sudden. Okay, you are also going to get more choices at work. Yes, in the second week you are going to. Okay, now third week is coming with an sense of achievement, that I have done all this, now I'm reaping the fruits. Okay, but here what I see is that your perspective, because all that has happened with you in the past, so now here your perspective has become a little negative. You're thinking that, oh, in the past this happened, that happened, and I always felt like I was out in the cold, and there was nobody, like a victim energy, like you kept pitying yourself. Okay, so that way you're going to feel. Okay, but at the same time you are going to get what you deserve. Okay, here it is all about working on yourself, working on self love a lot, because a lot is coming in your life. You should be ready to receive it, right? So the fourth week, let's see what we have. Fourth week, again the same energy, feeling disappointed. There are offers in front of you, but still you are thinking only what you have lost. Everything is fine. Work is fine, money is fine, your relationship with your work friends or work colleagues is fine, but you are not fine. You are looking at only the losses, you're not looking at the gains in life. There will be losses. There have been losses in the past. You're just looking at that. But there's a lot more new coming in your life in the fourth week. And that new you have to embrace. Embrace the new Gemini. Come on. Look in the right direction. There's a lot coming in your life in the month of April. Right? I see a lot coming. Okay? And month of April, you have to work on how you think, because that is only going to determine whether you are moving forward smoothly or no. Here, the whole energy, what I felt is that things are happening fine, but you are not fine. You are not looking in the right direction. You have to change. A change of perspective will really help over here positively if you start thinking. Okay, so let's see what we have for you in your relationship reading. Timestamps are going to be put up. All right. First, I'm going to see the general energy, then the single and the committed people. So, general energy of May. Sorry, April, not May. I don't know why I said May. I'm walking on shamanic time, maybe. Okay. You are manifesting something. That's a good thing. Balance is coming in your life. Commitment is coming in your life. Lot of internal check is coming. You're coming out of, oh, lovely. So here you are coming out of the daydreaming. Like probably in the past you were just thinking about things in your life and not taking a step. Now you're coming out of that. You're whatever you felt you want, you're manifesting this. You're coming back in your power. You are meeting somebody who will come into commitment with you, and the wheel, the balance is happening in your life, which was not there in the past. Okay, people who are single, they're shining, they're taking a lead, they're seeking the truth, they're healing from all the damage that happened in relationship area in their life. In the past, probably you loved somebody and it didn't go well and you felt very damaged, but now, since a very long time, maybe you didn't want anybody in your life, but now you are helping yourself, healing yourself, reaching out to somebody who can help you heal. And decision you are not taking this month in the month of April, but I feel that you will be helping yourself to come out of that challenging situations or mental blocks that you have in relationship. That is also very huge. Once you do, automatically there'll be a person in front of you who will want to be with you all your life, and somebody who's really really good for you. Okay, let's see what we have for people who are already in relationship. You're sharing, lovely. Okay, so here I feel again teaching card has come. Here I feel you are sharing, you're caring with your partner, relationship is balancing in your life, and probably you're taken up a teacher's role, or probably you've read a lot of spiritual books. Here you are getting into advising people over here. You're learning, you're teaching, you are coming together with your life partner. The friendship, the love is there, but the friendship has developed even more. That's what I feel. And whatever you have dreamt about, that your relation should be like this, it starts happening. Because I feel all these months you have been reading a lot. And if people, you have read a lot of things in your life, automatically you get a different perspective and you improve your relationship. But that is exactly what is happening in the month of April for you. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I really love this reading. It's so awesome to learn and improve your relationship. Lovely. So this is the energy of April. Let's see what we have as a universal message. Your timestamps are going to be put up for each one, for love reading and for universal message. Okay, let's see what we have. Breathe in. Practice, breathe, work today. So yes, a lot of breathing exercise, that is true. Even when we do a lot of mantras, or we do puja, or we do any kind of work, before that, if we do a breathing exercise, believe you me, it really helps. It really changes a lot. And you will actually see more positive results after that. So yes, start your breathing exercise today and see the difference in your life. It really helps. Okay, that's all for today. Please follow me on X, on Facebook, on Instagram, everywhere, and share my video with your family and friends, and email me and WhatsApp me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Hari Om Tat Sat.